Let's talk about exceptions. Java throws an exception when something goes wrong. Exceptions are not supposed to happen, but they happen on the unhappy path. They're a mechanism in Java for handling problems that occur during the execution of a program. When a problem occurs, an exception is thrown. Exceptions are an important part of the Java programming language, and it's important to understand how they work and how to use them in your own programs. Exceptions are special Java objects. They are used to signal that something unexpected has happened, such as a divide by zero or a missing file. The goal of handling exceptions is to allow the program to continue running after the problem occurs, rather than halting immediately, meaning crashing the program. When you handle an exception, you specify what needs to happen when the exception is thrown. It's like a protocol for emergency situations. There are two options for exception handling. The first option is to add it to the method signature. This forces whoever calls the method to deal with the exception. Or you specify a protocol for the exception using a try-catch block. The better option depends on the situation. We'll see both these things in detail later. Before we do so, let's have a look at how we can throw exceptions. This comes in handy when we want to see how to handle them.